Actually, if you first address the budget part, there was a very broad-based approach dealing or mentioning some of the things that are the challenges today. So, one of the things that the first thing was that there would be a committee set up for skilling, education, and employment, so that it's looked at holistically. If you go to the healthcare delivery system, today we need to double the capacity that we have to be able to help all our people. And the manpower required for that and the skills required for that are huge. So this committee can address that issue. Secondly, there was an announcement of Bioshakti sort of mission with 10,000 crores allocation for encouraging research and development of biologics and biosimilars, which are very important for the increasing burden of non-communicable diseases which India is suffering from. So cancer, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, all ये सब चीजें जो हैं, they have become very, very challenging for India. Okay. Then the third thing was the encouragement for Ayurveda and establishment of 3 more All India Institutes of Ayurveda, so that the true potential of Ayurveda and can be achieved. And also the fact remains that if you use the power of India, the power of Ayurveda, it has 2 purposes. One is that it keeps your body healthy, and the other thing is that it is the mental health is addressed by the pranayam part. So mental health is also becoming a big challenge for our country because of the increasing stress on people's lives, and also environmental issues like the quality of air and water and all that. All these things are adding up to the pressure on an individual. So addressing mental health was also an important part of this budget. Then the medical value travel, which India has a huge potential. India is measured, today we do not get our fair share of medical value travelers because of the fact that we are not totally organized. There's chaos on the ground. So the establishment of hubs in each state where medical value travel can be offered along with modern medicine, which is of the highest quality available in the world, but at a very affordable price. And the second thing is, along with that, the traditional medicine is also available, so it increases the value of a medical value traveler to come to our country. So the potential is huge. We may be able to double, triple it in the next 1 or 2 years. So that is a good effort that was made. Then there was also ancillary stuff of trauma care centers and all that, which of course will help a lot. So what was missing in the budget is that we did not hear directly about the allocation of budgets for public spending, which maybe because of the fact that it has to cover a huge base, that the details will come out in the coming days. So that is because even inflation is causing the cost of healthcare going up for all of us, government and private sector. So allocations along those lines will of course help. But the cancer drugs, the duty removal of cancer drugs, 17 cancer drugs and 7 rare diseases is going to help a lot to mitigate the cost of treatment for the patients, which is quite expensive to begin with. So I think overall it has addressed a lot of the things. The misses, as I told you about, hopefully we'll hear about it in the next few days.